Ray Byers with Byers Solitude. So right now we are in a bathroom, and we actually have a bathroom Solitube with a light fixture as well as a vent kit. So I'm gonna grab a ladder up real quick right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a peek at how to clean the vent kit, as well as how to clean the lens. So we're gonna take the lens off. You're just gonna take your little step stool, come on up, spin, and this whole unit will drop down. This actually is fairly clean. Take some, spritz it a little bit with your glass cleaner. And then once we get the glass cleaner, we're gonna take a little microfiber. You can use whatever towel works best for you. Paper towel will be fine. The only downside to paper towels is they tend to leave a little bit of fibers in there. So we'll clean that off. I'm gonna set that over here to the side. And then we're gonna come up here and look inside this vent cover plate. So the vent cover plate is gonna be pulled off rather easily. You just pull from the center outside and pull straight down. So there's a push pin right here, little push tab. And every once in a while, you're gonna get a little bit of dust inside there. So I'm gonna take that dust, clean it out, put it in the trash can, and then you can either grab a vacuum cleaner or you can go ahead and wipe this out. We're just gonna wipe it down. You can also wipe down right here along this leading edge. All inside here, get that nice and clean. And if you happen to have, which in some cases you can have bugs inside this area, somehow, some way they get in. Those are pesky little guys. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna run our finger around and we're gonna find a clear tab, which we found right here. And this clear tab, we're just gonna pull down, and you'll notice it has a nice gasket around here. That gasket seals that up, but we're gonna take any of the debris that may be inside here, pop it out in the trash can, and here's where our light fixture is. So if you need to change out the light bulbs do fade over time or go out over time, so we can pull that off. And then we're gonna slide this right back in. And once we get that in, we can install the cover plate. Snaps right in. And then these tabs here will allow us to turn and lock right into here. Some of these you may have the bigger style, you may have a little bit more of a problem. The smaller style goes in nice and easy. So there you go. We got the Solitube nice and clean, got the air vent nice and clean, and showed you how you can change out that light bulb. And you can do all of that with no tools except for a little step stool. I'll show you how the light works as well. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the light. The way this is wired in to the light and the fan at the same time. So when you're in here taking a shower, you've got the backlight in the shower, also the vent as well as the fan running all at one time.